What is a statement of work, SOW, in project management? A statement of work, SOW, is a crucial document in project management. It outlines the work to be performed, the deliverables, and the timeline. The SOW defines project objectives, scope, and the resources needed for successful delivery. It serves as a foundation for the project, helping guide the team through execution. Without a clear SOW, a project is prone to scope creep and miscommunication. Why is the SOW important? The SOW creates a clear contract between stakeholders. It ensures mutual understanding of deliverables, timelines, and requirements. Having a well-defined SOW is essential to track progress and measure success. It also outlines the roles and responsibilities of all parties involved. Types of SOW: Design/Detail SOW focuses on specific requirements and procedures for completing tasks. Used in industries like manufacturing and construction. 2. Level of effort, time, and materials. So ideal for hourly services and contract work based on time and materials needed. 3. Performance-based SOW. Measurable goals and results with flexibility and execution. Common in government contracts. Key takeaways. A well-crafted SOW prevents confusion and sets a clear project path. It's the contractual backbone that ensures all parties meet expectations.